She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Joy Christina. So today I haven't done a video like this on my channel yet, but I'm gonna do a transformation video and I'm gonna do like a certain aesthetic. So I'm gonna transform myself into the art hoe because I really wanted to wear an outfit. I like honestly probably dress like almost all the aesthetics, to be honest, because I don't have a certain one I go by every day. So I'm gonna transform myself. That's why I look gross right now. I already like moisturize and all that nice stuff, so I'm just gonna get right into this. So for primer and foundation and concealer, because I'm gonna do these all really quickly because these are my everyday face stuff.
I do my Smashbox, the photo finish blur for my primer, and then I do the Fenty Beauty foundation in 420, and then I do my Maybelline concealer, and the color is ripped off, but
I think it's tan. Anyway.
And then I just pump some on my brush and then apply it all over my face. I did change my shirt. Just this will be the shirt I'm wearing. But yeah. But now I'm gonna do concealer. And I kind of just put it underneath. I don't have like a certain way. Sometimes I do triangle, sometimes I do just all over. Because I'm not like really bad under eyes. Usually like after I put foundation, I'm like okay. So and then I'm just gonna blend it in.
Okay, and then I'm gonna set my face, and I use this Shea Luxe banana powder, which I think is a dupe for the benign banana powder. Yeah. And it was like a local drugstore. So, and it's just an e.l.f. taper brush. So, and I just like to use it to set my face. I'm not like in any way makeup guru or anything. I just wear makeup when I feel like I need it, which usually is a lot. But like I just do average makeup. I don't do anything crazy. So I used to, but now I don't. Anyway, yeah. And I'm just gonna set my under eyes and my whole face. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I zoomed in a teeny bit for you guys. I don't do anything really special. I just fill the ends into my eyebrows because they just are like really sparse there, and I feel like my eyebrows are like thick enough, so I don't do much to them. But I just used the e.l.f. brow pencil in black, I believe, or deep brown. I just set them with the tinted NYX brow, and yeah. So does it tell me the color? Yeah, in black. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Just brush them a little. So right now I'm just gonna go to the contour, and I used the LA Girls contour palette. As you can see, I use it all the time. I don't use this shade. This fell out, it broke. What happened there? But so, and I just used the bronzing e.l.f. brush for contour. Less salmon. Like if I feel like I need to, then I do, but like I feel like for this look it's not like you don't need to do anything crazy. Maybe if you want to be a baddie aesthetic, then I'll try a little harder to get my face looking snatched. But for this look, I feel like a more natural way to use the way to go. And then for my nose contour, I think this is a Wet n Wild brush, and it's just for your eyes. because I just feel like it's me as a cleaner contour for my nose. I'm gonna do a teeny bit of blush. Mine is like damaged because I dropped it, but I still use it. So, but it's the Milani blush Coral Cove number 5. So, yeah.
But I'm just gonna use a little because I feel like for this aesthetic, it's not like crucial, but a little probably would help or hurt.
I might do some freckles too. You don't have to do freckles, but I just feel like I do. But I don't have like a freckle pen because I don't do freckles really ever. I used to in high school, but I don't now. But when I did in high school, I used this Luxe palette for your eyebrows. But yeah, and I would get like a teeny brush. But I had one teenier than this. I don't know where it is though. So, and then I just do little dots all over my face. And I alternate between the colors just so I have like a variation. So, because not every freckle is like the same color and all that.
I can't tell if you can really see that or not. And I was pressing it because otherwise it would look really unnatural. Otherwise it looks seamless, like it's actually funny.
No, these are just the freckles. Oh, you can see that. I can tell. I can really tell. Okay, guess I'll move on to the eyes. I have like my Pinky Rose cosmetic palette, and I got this at the mall, at a place, makeup place. I don't think it's like in every store though. I don't remember it. It was like years ago. All the brushes I'm using are e.l.f. brushes because yeah, this palette looks kind of dirty. But I just used the top row, and then I'm gonna use some of this 3 browns. Oops, you can't see that. I'm gonna use these 3 browns and like most of the top row. So for this look, so I'm gonna start with purple. I'm gonna use a teenier brush. This is a crease brush. And I'm gonna go in the crease. Okay, I'm gonna use this blending brush to blend some of this in a little better. And actually, this is an LA Colors brush.
I'm packing onto really well with the color up so you can see it. And then I want to blend it in with the brown.
Once I get to my once I get to the color one. clean the edges, and then I'm gonna put this Rimmel Scandalous Ritual Glam Lash like mascara. Okay, and then I usually set my face either with the NYX Finish or the Dewy one, which I got a little. And I'm using this LA Girl highlight brush and the Milani highlighter and strobe light, or glowing, I think that's the name. So, okay. My lip gloss I'm wearing is just the NYX Butter Gloss and Paragon, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I put these lip glosses on because I think they're cute. They look so cute with that one too. But just feel like this one. I love an artsy art kind of aesthetic here. So, and I put this headscarf on. And here's my necklace, if you wonder. So I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. Okay, so that will be it for this video. If you like videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe below. Again, I always like dress as different aesthetics like every day when I went to school. Anyways, so I probably have outfits for every aesthetic. So if you want a video on any, or like wear a different aesthetic every day for a week, I can do that too. Just let me know in the comments below what y'all guys want, and I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Depends, but I just grabbed this one. Oop, and it's just some just it. Oh, I'm all over the place. Okay.